Good afternoon. My name is Scott Redler, Chief Strategic Officer at T3Live.com. Welcome to today's recap and look ahead.
观众朋友们，大家好，欢迎收看今天的直击美股，我是王蒙宇，在华尔街向您问好。今天是纽约时间6月13日，星期二。随着股价继续上升，投资者表示，在未来一段时间内，股价有可能会下跌。根据美国银行美林基金的表示，美国的市场被高估了。那么在这个月呢，截止到今日，已经在市场净升值为44%，上个月升值为34%。我们纵观英国富时100指数上升了5%，而标准普尔500指数上升了1.7%。在上周五，我们看到了科技股的强劲上升，包括这2个月内阿里巴巴、亚马逊的快速上升。我们也知道啊，这个随着投资者越来越担忧美国的科技股票被高估，所以未来美国科技股票的走势呢，仍然是一个问题。那我们来看一下欧洲市场，随着欧洲央行决定货币政策稳定，所以欧洲市场目前处于一个比较乐观的状态，但是零售的投资者仍然处于一个观望态度。那么下面让我们有请 T3 首席执行官 Scott 为大家分析今日的股票。Hi Scott, a record of a number of investors said the U.S. stock market is too high, and according to the CNBC, around 84% of fund managers believe the U.S. stock market is overvalued. What's the information you want to tell for the market?
So 84% say the market's overvalued.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I got to believe that 80% of them have been saying that since 2012. So if you've stayed out of the market for the last 5 years, you've missed out on a lot of gains. So what I like to do is I like to look at the technicals that tell me a better story about the market health, especially if you're a trader and you went short based on those statistics, you've probably been blown out of the water, you're not even watching the show anymore. So we use the moving averages to tell us the health and the barometer. When you're above the 8 and 21 day, okay, it means that we're strong, there's momentum, you break below it, you get a little bit more flexible. And recently you look at the chart of the S&P cash, okay, it tried to break below the 21-day moving average right here. Okay, that was on Friday. That was a very interesting day. A doji broke above highs, okay, came below it. So this was a day that some traders reduced risk, saying, hey, we're below the 8-day, maybe we break the 21-day. So now all of a sudden, you move this forward, we're right back there. We held the 21-day moving average and the 8-day. So to me, that's still saying that there's buy interest out there, that it's still strong. If the sellers had any power, okay, they would have broken below this. Okay, remember last time? They broke it below the 8 and 21 day. Well, you had your red dog reversal, took back all the moving averages, and then made new highs. So here, couldn't even get below it. So until we break below the 8 and 21 day and stay below it, I'm going to listen to the market, not CNBC polls.
Tech stock increased so quickly last Friday but declined this Monday, and we know the Fed may raise interest rate this month. So can you predict the tech stock in the future?
Well, you can't predict the future. You can only look at what's in front of you. And on Friday, the Qs gave you a way out, and so did the high beta tech names. So if you sold some of the tech stocks on Friday into yesterday's down open, you had some price discovery, and they were buyable with the red dog reversal and the Qs. I didn't need to predict the future. All I needed to do is use my points of reference. So here is the chart of the Qs. If you remember, last time we had a big sharp decline in the Qs was right here. Okay? Broke the 8-day, broke the 21-day, and then all of a sudden we reclaimed it, which was the pivot right there, and then got back above it, made new highs. So here, if you sold when this upper range was broken, which is like what I did, and I reduced risk because I wanted to see what's going to be next. Well, yesterday I got long the Qs, okay, because why? It broke below this, came back above it, that's a red dog reversal, and today you had a little upside. If the sellers want to bring weakness back to the Qs, they do not let this area get reclaimed. They would rather go like this. So I would say tomorrow look at this 141.16 area, see if sellers can reject price. If not, status quo just like we had here. Okay, lastly, you know what, I'll just bring it up, the financials, okay, barometer of some of the market health with the Fed potentially raising interest rates. Tomorrow we'll see how the banks react. If you look at the XLF is one of the reasons why the market is holding in there. If you look at this descending channel here in the XLF right there, okay, it wound up breaking it to the upside. So as long as the XLF holds above this 24-ish area right here after a big 6-day move, chances are the bulls is still going to have the bull. So we'll see what happens here tomorrow. Here is the old highs. So this is your line in the sand, 24-ish on the XLF.
Thank you for all the information, Scott.
Well, my pleasure, and make sure to tune in again tomorrow because we'll have some more for you.
感谢您的收看，我们下期再见。